Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Giselle, and if this is your first time watching me, please pause this video real quick and go subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Alright guys, so for today's video, your girl is gonna be using the Fierce by Nature palette. It's from Morphe, and guys, this will be the second time I will be using this palette, and honestly guys, the first time I used it, I fell in love. I'll be using this palette, and look at this. Looks so cute. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and start off with our eyes. So you know your girl always starts off with her eyes first. That's just me. I prefer starting off with my eyes first and then my foundation, because I just feel like it's better. Like sometimes when I do my eyeshadow, there's a lot of fallout with some palettes, and I don't want fallout on my foundation, and it's not gonna look good. I mean, if you guys want to see me do it the other way around, I could also do it the other way around. I am here para ustedes. So let's just go ahead, and we're gonna go ahead and do our eyes. Yo guys, look how what I mean that this palette is good. Like, it's so cute. Look at that. Like, I just put a little dab in there. Look how much pigment it already has. Like, why the hell beeping like that? Like, okay, finally, since it stopped beeping already. So now we're gonna go in with that primer. I'm gonna be using the Hydro from Milk. So we're gonna massage my face. We're gonna do this quick because it's already what I'm about to control it, and I gotta get the hell out of my house. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm gonna be using the Tarte today because it's been a long time since I haven't used the Tarte. Alright guys, now we're gonna contour. I'm gonna contour with my Morphe pan, of course. If you guys want to recommend any other contouring pan, you can go ahead and comment down below. I already contoured my nose. It looks kind of crazy, but I'm gonna fix it. And alright, so now I'm just gonna bake my face. We're gonna use the air spun today because why not? Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Jeffree Star. And for today's highlight, we are going to use the Amaranthi one from Anastasia. And while this dries, I'm going to go ahead... No, never mind. Anyways, guys, look at the look. Alright, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add highlight. Like I said, we're gonna use the Anastasia one. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in with the Kylie lip gloss. I'm gonna use the shade or the lip gloss Candy Cane, whatever you want to say. And we're gonna go ahead. Honestly guys, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't really like the brush, but I got used to it. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and honestly guys, it looks cute. I look cute. I look ready to go outside and, you know, and look cute. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video with the palette I used today. I recommend this palette to anyone that wants to buy it. It is worth it. I really like it. It cost, I think, like, I don't know, like 25 bucks. I don't remember. Honestly, I just seen it and I just grabbed it and I was just like, this looks cute, I want to use it. So I just grabbed it and I bought it. This was when everything was open though, because I bought a couple things that I have not used. So I have like another palette from Morphe, and honestly I can't wait to try that one because it looks cute. It looks cute. Anyways, guys, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video and this look. I honestly liked it. It looks cute, it looks cute, it looks like me, it looks like it goes with me. It looks like, you know, time to go party, but we're not going party because we on lockdown or whatever. Even though New York City opened, my house hasn't opened, so screw yeah, I'm staying home. Anyways, guys, take care and I see you guys on my next video. Bye.